have cat hair in my face. It's like stuck on me. But yeah, that's my cat, Salem. But what I wanted to show you guys. Oh, I look crusty as hell. I just got home from work, but went to the store. Yeah, look at my makeup. It looks cute as fuck today. But anyway, like I said, I just got back from the store, and I'm starting out the curly girl method for my hair, because my hair is like wavy and stuff. So I was doing a lot of research on like the curly girl method, and I'm trying it out. So I just want to show you guys the products that I actually got. And yeah, I'm gonna, I guess, film a video and show you y'all how I'm gonna try to do this. And this is my like 3rd day doing it, and I actually had to buy new products because I really didn't like the ones I was using. So I'm trying on new stuff. I also got 2 new like clips, so I'm gonna use these for my where my hair is, and when my hair is drying, to kind of like clip these up here just like that. And yeah, and then like I really wanted one of these for work and stuff, so I got this. I usually never buy like generic shampoo like this, but I heard this is really good for like clarifying your hair when you like wash it and stuff, to get rid of all like the buildup and all the products. So I'm gonna try this out. It was like literally less than $2, and this is like the family size. Almost fucking hit me in the head. But anyway, I also got this Not Your Mother's Curly Talk, and then this is like defining cream for your curls when like I'm scrunching it when my hair is wet, when it dries. So I really want to try this out, because I tried this out and I feel like my hair just doesn't like it. Like, I'm not saying this product is bad, but it just kind of makes my hair too greasy, and I don't really like that. So that's why I'm gonna try out Not Your Mother's Curly Talk. I heard a lot of good reviews about this, so my hopes are high. And then I also got the She Moisture, honey and yogurt with like oils. It's hydrate and repair protein powder, power treatment. And this, oh my god, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. This smells amazing. Also, look at what he's doing. Like, what are you doing, kitty? He's weird. Don't mind my cat. But yeah, those are the products that I got for my hair as of now. I do plan on getting a couple more other things. I do have like my typical like hair rolls and stuff that I use. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me in a little bit, and I'll show you guys. I'm gonna try to do this with my hair, I guess. I don't know if it's gonna work. Let me take this out of the bun and show you guys how my hair looks right now after work. It's all like crusty. But this is what I mean, like this gel like doesn't even want to keep my curls in. Like, my hair was really super curly earlier, and then it just kind of like just went down, and it's like really greasy looking and just not cute. So we're gonna wash our hair. I washed my hair like 3 days ago, I think. So yeah, we're gonna just wash my hair, do something with it so it doesn't look so yucky. And yeah, I also don't know what I'm gonna talk about. I want to talk about some other stuff. Salem, you're so fucking weird. Let me open this. I do want to start making like new videos for you guys, like something different than just like my typical, you know, sitting in front of the ring light, you know, like professional videos. I just feel like this is more fun and it's more authentic. I don't know, there's just so many other like YouTubers that like it's always like the same thing, that like makeup, which I love watching makeup videos and like makeup and whatnot, but I want to switch it up, you know, like do both. I'm not saying I'm gonna completely stop making like makeup tutorials, which I freaking love, like I like doing that, but I also want to do more like freestyle vlogs and not have to be so worried about like the quality and the lighting and like, you know, like if you guys want to watch me, you're gonna watch me no matter like what the quality is. And yeah, oh yeah, also if you guys want to know what makeup I'm wearing today, I used the Morphe Hit the Lights eyeshadow palette, and then for some reason, I used to hate the foundation I'm wearing right now. It's the NYX Born to Glow foundation. But, like, honestly, I think you just have to use the tiniest amount of this foundation. Because, like, my skin looks really good. And, like, it didn't, like, go into my, smile lines and my crease lines and whatnot. Whatever. This works. Oh, Jesus. Oh, jeez. Alright. Alright, this is not working, y'all. What is this? My hair looks bad. Look, y'all. Honestly, I do not even care how this looks. Well, low-key, I kind of do. I don't know if this whole curly girl method is gonna work, though. I just feel like it's been making my hair so greasy. And my hair doesn't get that greasy because, like, I try to only wash a couple of times a week. I did also want to talk to you guys about, like, the, like, not emotional, like, a mental... I don't even know. I've been going through so much fucking shit lately. Not just lately, but, like, I feel like for a couple of years now, and I don't know. Y'all go... What are you doing, Salem? You're so fucking gross. You're, like, licking himself. But yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys about, like, mental health, which I've been going through a lot of shit recently. And, like, not gonna lie, like, compared to the past few years, I've been, like, working on myself to kind of, like, realize, yeah, like, I have some issues mentally, and I'm trying to be a better person. That's mostly what it is. And I don't want to feel so miserable every single day like I do. But yeah, but then again, it is also okay to feel down and crabby and cranky. You know, like, it's normal. Like, there's nothing wrong with you guys if you feel that way. Also, excuse this mess. I just gotta stand here. So y'all can't see that. But yeah, I mean, I feel like everyone goes through some shit, and I do feel like a lot of people don't talk about this. And honestly, what just kind of makes me feel even more shitty is, like, for example, like, Jaclyn Hill. She's been going through shit. Like, people are assholes. Yeah, I do understand, like, when people say certain stuff to her. Because, like, she did fuck up on certain shit. But in a way, like, yo, chill out. Like, you know, like, if you don't want to support her and don't want to buy her products, then just don't fucking buy them. Y'all don't have to be so rude and mean to someone and, like, bring them down so much to the point where, like, she now wants to fucking, like, I don't know. From her post, it almost seems like she's quitting YouTube for a while and kind of just, like, focusing on her mental health and to get, like, physically better too, because she had, like, a lot of health issues and whatnot, which is good for her. But, like, honestly, I feel like it's the people's fault from, like, literally everything she does. They just kind of are just so, like, rude and leave nasty comments, and it's getting to the point where it's like, why y'all care so much? Like, it's not your life. Like, if you don't want to buy her stuff, don't want to support her, delete her, don't follow her, why are you gonna, you know what I mean? Like, the other day, I posted a picture of just me with my makeup, you know, on Instagram, and this one fucking bitch, I'm sorry for my language, but she's like, sorry, don't like purple hair. Like, okay, like, you might not like purple hair, but, like, why say something? You don't follow me, I don't follow you, so, like, why you gotta comment on someone's post saying nothing positive, just being rude, you know, when it has nothing to do with you? Like, I understand you don't like it, but just kind of keep it to yourself. Like, someone else might like it. You might make that person's day feel shitty by saying you don't like purple hair, you know what I mean? So, I don't know. People just need to chill the fuck out and just mind their own business, to be honest. But yeah, I guess this was my little rant. I don't know. I don't really know if it made sense or not, but I'll take you guys with me to go finish my hair. We're gonna go wash this mess, and we're gonna come back and I'll show you guys I'm gonna apply this stuff. Let's go. I'm back. I just washed my hair, as you guys saw in previous clip. I ran out, just kind of put my hair in like the t-shirt because I started using t-shirts instead of towels. So I'm just kind of just trying to get as much moisture out of my hair as I can. And then what I usually do is just kind of like take the t-shirt and try to like scrunch up my hair, just like that. So I'll probably do this for a few minutes to just kind of get rid of all the water. All right. I'm gonna flip my hair back. I'm gonna try out this Not Your Mother's Curly Talk Defining Cream. I'm gonna take like about like this amount, spit it in my hands. And what I saw a lot of people do, get a little here for you guys. So we're gonna just kind of like bring it down like this, and then just kind of scrunch up. Ooh, this smells really good. Just gonna scrunch up one side of my hair, just like this. Oh, you guys saw my door open with my kitty cat Salem in the back. So we're gonna just keep scrunching this up to get like my curls really nice. Just like this. And then we're gonna do the same thing on the side. Let me take a little bit more of that gel. I'm gonna take like a small amount. Spread it in my hands. And just kind of scrunch up my hair to get those curls all nice. And I'm gonna flip my hair. And I'm gonna scrunch up the rest. All right, so that's for the curls. And then I'm gonna take the blow dryer and we're gonna put these clips in. I saw people do, you just kind of clip up like the roots so you have more volume in it. So when you blow dry your hair, it apparently is supposed to like, I'm gonna take different colored ones because I don't feel like messing with the thing. Just gonna clip up the roots. I'm gonna do the same thing over here, just like that. Fire on medium heat, and then you can also like bend your hair down so to like kind of like make it nicer. Just clip up the rest until it completely dries out. Just like that. And then I'll be with you guys once this completely dries. And I'll show you guys the final result I'll be with you guys once this completely dries, and we'll see how this looks. If I look actually normal or more greasier like I did earlier. Alright, be right back. What's up, guys? So, this is the next day actually. My hair is pretty much like dry. So I'm gonna quickly take these clips out of my hair, and then I'll show you guys how my hair came out, I guess. How I got this makeup look. Check out my video on my Instagram, and my Instagram is Simi_Violet. Alright guys, so I'm back with my bangs straightened. Well, my fringe. But yeah, I do like my hair like that. It's cute. I mean, it definitely still needs work. I mean, considering this is day 4 of me trying out the curly method, my hair is pretty cute, I would say. Definitely, you can see the difference of me using like a different product in my hair, and it's not so greasy and the curls are holding better. So yeah, I'll try to keep you guys updated. I'll probably make another video in like a month or so, which is gonna be like an updated like routine. So yeah, I'm just gonna clip my hair in the back. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, you know, check out my Instagram and whatnot, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, bitches.